Okay, now part two here. I'm going to set up the hook up to all the faucet, the braided flex lines, and the drain P-trap. Now I'm just setting this up, dry fit it, and just trying to get measurements of pipes, lengths of pipes, and I'm just guessing. Really, I'm just taking a measurement from the hub to the hub, and where I think it should set on the neck of the faucet of the drain. And once I do that, I just make it very easy. Keep my thumb on it. Keep my thumb on it. Make a score in it. And I usually do this much reciprocating saw, but that's it for trucks. I'm only cutting 3/4 of the way through. And then we're going to break it like this, and that keeps it more square on the cut. So now that's done. Clean up the edge there, and we're going to dry fit this. I'm going to take that tab off, set it up in the hub where it should be, and then I'm going to make a measurement here again. So just kind of fitting that all together and then lining it up with the existing pipe that's coming out the wall. I don't know if you can see that or not, but okay, so now there's a coupling here, 1.5 inch coupling. I'm going to stick on the existing pipe, and then I'm going to take a measurement between the two hubs that are back there. And I'm just doing it again with my thumb. Once I find the measurement with my thumb, I'm just going to scratch it with my saw. I'll take my thumb out of there, obviously. And gives a little tap. Try to keep those cuts as square as possible. I didn't have a very good time with that when I was younger, even when I got older. So there. Just gonna clean up the burrs on it. There. So now that should all line up here like so. And then you can check your grade. And it's still running downhill to the wall, which is what we want. So now I'm going to rebuild that trap. So what I usually do is I start with the parts that can't change, like the coupling, straight pipes, things like that. So we're not going to be bashful with any of this glue because we don't want any leaks. Make sure you do the inside of your fitting as well as the pipe. Make sure you get good coverage in there all the way around. Stick it on, give it a quarter turn, doesn't hurt. Take your pipe, do the same thing. Make sure you have glue all the way around it. Stick it in the hole. And the coupling, give it a quarter turn. Now you can wipe that glue while it's wet. It's more aesthetics than anything. I like to wipe it to keep it clean. Now I'm onto the trap. Bolt the pipe in the fit in the hub on the trap. Make sure we have these on the right grade here. There, that's done. Now I'm going to take this pipe, the stand off here. I'm just going to glue it. It's an upright. It's just going to go right into the trap adapter from the P-trap. Stick them together, give them a turn. Clean off your excess. Make it look good for presentation. That's a mark on the pipe. Okay. Take off your trap adapter. Just loose anyway, right now. Again, give it a rotation on your pipe. Make sure you get it all the way around. Do the inside of your hub on your trap adapter. Make sure you have it all the way around. Stick it on, give it a half